Warped or swollen doors can seriously mess with your home's vibe, but fixing them doesn't have to be a major headache if you know what to do. So, first off, you want to check the humidity in your home because moisture is usually the main culprit behind doors getting all warped or swollen. Keep a dehumidifier handy or crank up the air conditioning to keep things dry. If your door is already swollen, try sanding down the edges carefully to get it back to fitting right. Sometimes just tightening or replacing the hinges can help the door close properly again. If the damage is too bad, replacing the door might be your best bet. When you install a new door, make sure it's sealed properly with weather stripping so moisture doesn't sneak in. Also, avoid letting water splash on the door or sit near it because that just makes things worse. Remember, regular maintenance like checking for leaks or drafts can save you from bigger problems later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with warped or swollen doors is ignoring high humidity levels inside their homes, which just lets moisture build up and damage the wood over time. Fix this by using exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens and keeping windows open when possible. Another common problem is trying to force a swollen door to close instead of addressing the root cause, like sanding or humidity control, which can cause permanent damage. The fix? Take your time to adjust or repair the door properly without rushing. Lastly, many folks forget to check and replace old or rusted hinges that can cause misalignment and make the door stick. Swapping out those hinges will help your door swing smoothly again. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with door repairs and replacements. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners ready to get work done, making the whole process way easier for everyone.